And we're live. we're we're a little late today. We've been trolling over at the Optical Art channel, having a bit of fun over there. Everyone's super nice. It's not really trolling. I started out trolling, and then I got my hand slapped. Then I had to be a little nicer. So it's all good. I mean, it's art. It's right in the title. Optical art. Like, don't take it serious. Don't take it too serious. Yee. All right. Let's check it out. BTC USD. Whoa. Back it up. First of all, the big question of the day is, who ate all my ice cream? I'm telling you. I was like thinking of that chocolate chip Java parked in the fridge, and it is gone. I was thinking about it all day. That's what happens. You got kids in the house, man. They'll sniff it out, even if you hide it. All right, here we go. November 26, 2019. Let's jump right into it. BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $7,075. Kind of fun here. We're on the daily chart. Jump into that. I've been saying 1 to 3 days sideways. We got here's our one right there. It's going to be working on this one here too. Just trading sideways between two ranges, somewhere between here. And I'm going to turn that purple, the royal color, and this one right there. Boom. We're going to trade between this. Now, I don't usually talk about this kind of stuff, but we had a really good call in the group. You will only get calls if you're in the group, and you just get daily calls here. But I'm gonna really try to just call out every real trade that I do in the group. So let me jump into the hourly chart for you and show you what the last one was. And I'm gonna try to keep it real. It's kind of a pain in the butt to call out every trade, especially if you do a bunch. But I'm going to trade less and call out every trade. The last one, this is no BS. You see that? 6,528. That's me buying in right there. That was pretty good. And then I exited late on this one here, right here. It's $7,250, and we've been out ever since, right? We've been out. And Peter, my man, if you're in the group, you're in the group. We got in on that together. That was awesome. Very, very cool. I'm always pumped when people around me, especially guys in the group, make money. I don't even care if I'm in the trade. I just want to see them wreck crypto. I think that's awesome. So we're going to play around here for a couple days between that purple line and this purple line. But that was a pretty good, whatever. We got out right here. Now we're waiting to see just how far down this is going to go. We're teasing the Kumo cloud on the hour for the Bitcoin USD on the hourly. And I'm curious, where is that bad boy going to go? Is it going to bounce off this 1 hour Kumo cloud, or is it going to start really breaking down into it? These wicks are telling me it kind of wants to get down there, right? Down here could be a target, 6,950. Well, here's kind of what I've been thinking, and tell me how you feel about it. I'm going to go into here, the line chart. I'm going to hit this right here. I'm going to pull it across just like that, and then pull this over just a little more just to make it fair. We're trading inside this parallel trend channel. Let me hit it back into the there you go, right there. So that's what we're working in right now. So if I zoom in and get rid of volume, and get all this out of here. There you go. So that's what we're working in. And we've been, do you see this? How I sold near the top of the channel, right? That's close enough. As close as I could get off of that particular one. And yeah, you could do this all day long, right? Now I'm not playing these shorter moves. I'm trying to get longer moves, but you could do, once you see a trend established with a parallel trend channel, it's simple. Sell, buy. Sell, buy. Sell, buy. Okay, so it's really good. And here's the kicker, right? Your average move, let's say you don't get the very top and you don't get the very bottom. Your average move is what, 2%? Okay. And it is $170, $170 move. Now, if you're on Optical Arts channel and you're trying to do these artist fake TA things, I'm not knocking the guy because he does call it art, so whatever. But if you're really going long or short based on that, it's like come on, man, just don't even look at any chart and just go short or long just based on which way the wind's blowing, and you probably do better. All right, so there's some range trading going on here, is what I'm pointing out, and currently looking a little bearish, but we still haven't even touched our targets yet, and our targets would be around, well, on the hourly, probably like 7,016. I'm pretty sure we'll probably be gracing that soon. On the hourly chart, we're, like I said, we're in that Kumo cloud, penetrating it with wicks right now, unless we get a turnaround here, but there's no sign of a turnaround yet. Your volume, let's pull that back in, is too low, right? Look how low your volume is. These are green bars. Well, gray in my case. But yeah, we're getting down there to the nitty gritty. Okay, so that means something, right? If you see a trend channel going on for too long, don't trade near the end of it. Trade like kind of the earlier parts, because then it gets wonky, and then you get left out in the cold on a trade, and you don't want to do that. So I don't know. We could be getting, low volume, enough so that it kind of lulls everybody to sleep, and then bam, bounces to the upside. Nice explosive move, either up or down. It doesn't, I don't know, but it could happen, right? All right, let's get back into our meat and potatoes of how the daily chart's doing and what it's shaping up as. Okay, so as we trade sideways in this channel, it does something really wonderful for us. It allows for moving averages to push further down and get closer to price action, including the 50-day and the 20 and the 9 in my case. Even the 200-day. Oh no, today the 200-day on the Bitcoin daily has gone bearish. Oh boy, I just saw that. That is no good. Oh boy. That's the first time. That's the first time since this uptrend that turned red. Okay, well, you saw it here first. It doesn't matter. Other things came through, like a death cross of your 20 and 200-day moving average, your 50 and your 200-day moving average death crossed. Yeah, and that's just no good. We got full-on rejection here of the Kumo cloud on the daily, meaning we're going way down lower to support. Support's over here. Looking for Bitcoin to reach this area right here, this sweet area. Okay, and then if you like using triangles for TA, right? Here's a triangle for you. This one, if you follow it all the way up, it goes right to the top of this triangle right here. Okay, so let's hide everything. Pull that back up, bring it back in. You have this nice line of support running up. So there's your touch at A. And I'm looking for a touch at A somewhere around here. But, however, in other videos, I talked about how from the top to here was measured, right? So this top to best target is where I measured that one out. And that would be about equal, which puts us around August of 2020 when we would hit bottom and then maybe move higher. That's also within range of these targets. So, yeah, pretty cool, actually. I kind of like how TA works out like that. So that's Bitcoin. We still got more sideways, in my opinion, right now. Sideways, probably a little bit down today, but, yeah, sideways. LTC USD is $46.08. That's down a little bit from what I remember seeing it as. Let's see here. Let's go like that. And zoom way in. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, okay, so today we had an up day. And then since the opening of this new candle here today, we're getting a little pullback. But all in all, it's range trading also. And I could put that here and here for you. Boom. Give it 2 or 2 or 3 more days. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Yeah. So, yeah, 1 to 2 more days sideways. This is also waiting for moving averages to come down lower. That's pretty awesome. I like this bottoming wick right here. You see this? This big power move that came in. A lot of buyers came in on one candle saying, yo, we'll buy all this up. So this could be a reversal right now. And we won't know if this is a reversal until we get more push to the upside. So when I look at these, I kind of think, hey, that is an upside push, right? From big wicks like this. These big red ones were quite the opposite. So they're just pushing down like that. You know what I'm saying? Zoom out a little bit for you. This right here coincides with that down arrow on this one. And then this big one here, this big monster, it coincides with, we'll just put a down arrow right there. So you can visually see the down pressure, and now you're getting up pressure. You're getting some moving averages, even price action starting to round out and starting to bottom. And it's going to take a little bit, but then it could start working its way up again. Hopefully, for those of you that are holding Litecoin, hopefully. We'll see how it goes, though. ETH USD is at 145.92. And we have more sideways right here. Also here, too. Check this out. Let me show you. There it is. Boom. Got that big Darth Maul candle. You got to mark them. Okay. You're going to trade between those for a bit. There is no hard rule for this, but it's loosely based on past actions. Okay. So you got that big push right here on Ethereum, and Ethereum is got that big push, right? It's trying to bottom out. It's really good. So it's trading between 151 and 131. So it's got like a $20 trade right here that it could possibly range trade in. How about XRP? XRP USD is at 21 cents, which, boy. Now this could also be, believe it or not, a reversal candle. Just because it's red, it should be green, but it's red. But it could possibly mean reversal also. And that's range trading also. So that's just kind of where we're at. Crypto's pretty boring right now until the market decides to head fake and go lower or continue up to the upside. Total market cap is $188 billion. We are slipping a little bit here on this new one, but mostly sideways. Total 2 is at 58 billion, more sideways, and Bitcoin dominance at 68.57. We did get some slippage here. So Bitcoin dominance is coming down a little bit, and others dominance is at 5.98. Still range trading from way back, right? Didn't make that call. Boom. Said we'd go this way. We are. I like this. This is good. This is all right. Range trade between, to be safe, I'd pull them down just a little bit. Pull that back. And yeah, you could go off the 9 there. That'd be fine. But yeah, range trade in here for a bit. Okay. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you guys. And thank you guys if you're in optical art. Had a fun time chatting with you guys and hearing what you had to say. It started out as malice, and I'm not going to lie, I was a little trolly at first, but I genuinely had a good time. And it's fun to go team up with your buddies and go invade another channel. You should try it sometime. It's fun. All right. God bless you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. And if you're in the group, we'll see you in the chat later. I'm out.